Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. Tonight we're talking specifically about Clio's licensing. And so whether you're new to Clio or interested in Clio or thinking about switching your level of your license, we're going to break it all down for you. And we're going to do it pretty quickly. If we look over at the screen here, I'll take you to the website where they talk about the different levels. For those of you that have been around a while, they have changed the names of these levels, but basically they've stayed the same and added some features, in fact. So we're going to talk about those as well. The first level here is our easy start. I don't recommend this. I will tell you that it does not include custom fields. And for me, that's a bit of a deal breaker. I think custom fields are at least 40–50% of the power of Clio. And so I would not recommend the easy start. The essentials license, I think, can be really, really useful for a lot of firms. And in fact, I do recommend it for a lot of firms. The biggest difference, again, between the easy start and the essentials is easy start does not have any custom field capabilities. So with the essentials, we do get the custom field capabilities and we get a lot more things. Obviously, you can come to the website and compare the plans yourself, but I want to focus a bit on the essentials versus the advanced, because that's where I think you find the biggest difference. And then between advanced and complete, complete is basically just advanced with Clio Grow added onto it. So let's look at the difference between essentials and advanced, because that's where I think you're going to find the biggest value if you're thinking of switching. So number one is if we are looking at essentials, then the essentials, all of them have tasks, right? Have the task capability, but the advanced will have additional fields on your tasks. So you'll have the ability to do a task type, like create categories for your tasks. You'll have the ability to a task status, maybe it's pending or in review or in progress. And then you'll have the ability to estimate your time for that task. These are all nice features, but let's look at what else is included in advanced that is not available in essentials. The next thing we look at is some of the reporting. If we have the advanced tasks, then now we can do the advanced reporting, which is helpful. It's got task reports. I guess it depends on how well you're using your tasks to see how helpful those are. But then it's also got this fee allocation report. So if that's critical to the way that you're compensating your team, then that might be a really helpful report for you to have. Additionally, and what's not shown on the screen here, is the fact that with the advanced, I have unlimited digital signatures. So if I'm used to going to the document section and sending out a document for digital signature, in the advanced, I have the ability to do unlimited digital signatures. And in the essentials, unfortunately, I'm limited to 15 per month per person. And so that's something to keep track of as well. Additionally, in the advanced, I can use this search box. And if I'm storing documents in Clio, the search will not only look for the word in the title of the document, it'll look for the word in the document itself. And so if I'm storing a lot of documents in Clio, that might be helpful or useful as well. Also, we've got our budget, right? So our matter budget, where we can keep track of how much money we are spending on this matter, or rather how much money we've billed so far on this matter compared to the budget that we want to stay within. That's only available on advanced as well. And then the feature that really, I'll be honest with you, these are all nice features, but they didn't ever tip me over the edge necessarily unless I was doing something that was very specific to one of those features. But now we've got our matter stages. And this Kanban board, frankly, for a lot of people can be the tipping point that puts them over the edge and says, I'm willing to spend that extra money and get that advanced license. A great, great feature for those of you that have used Grow, similar kind of idea. For those of you that have used Kanban boards in other places, we have videos on the stages itself, so you can learn a little bit more about that. But the stages are what really tips me over to say that I think that the advanced is a great value for what you're receiving and those additional features. Now, of course, it doesn't matter which license of Clio that you get or which level of Clio that you get. If you're not using the features, then it's probably not worth the money that you're spending. So give us a call. We'd love to help you get more out of Clio. We'd love to help you learn how to use all those features that are included. in whatever license level that you have. But that's our breakdown as far as which licenses are available through Clio and which ones we recommend. Again, I do not recommend the Easy Start. I think the Essentials and the Advanced are great depending on which features you're going to use within your Clio account. And then, of course, we are big fans of Grow, which can be very helpful to let you track your incoming matters, and that is available on the complete license. So do take a look at the different license types today. Do let us know if you have any questions. Again, Easy Start, no custom fields. Essentials is a great plan. Advanced has even more features that if you're taking advantage of can be well worth the money spent. And then Complete is when we include Advanced with Grow and are able to track our incoming potential clients. So thanks for joining me tonight. Let us know if you have any questions about those licenses or about the features that you may be not taking advantage of. We'd love to help you get the most out of Clio. Thanks so much. Have a great evening.